everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Taylor and today I want to show you guys how I got this really cute and simple updo hairstyle on my natural hair. So I am starting off with pre-stretched hair, I guess you could call it. I had this hair in twist styles and now I'm just ready to change up the style. So I went with an updo that is really simple and easy. As you can see, the back is pretty defined already. So I'm just kind of refreshing it with water and then a little bit of this curling custard that I have. And then I'm just gonna put that into a ponytail. But for the front of my head, I have a lot of heat damage and the curls are very, very loose. And right in the front, they are non-existent. So I did have to use perm rods to get more of a curl type of look that I was going for. But all in all, this hairstyle is very, very simple and easy. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. For anyone else who is like me, right now I am actually completely natural, but I am a heat trained, or what is it called? Like a straight hair natural, excuse me. I'm a straight hair natural and I'm trying to wear my hair in some natural hairstyles or protective styles just because I want to switch my look up. I'm not really trying to eliminate heat, but I wanted to switch my look up, do some more hairstyles with my natural hair pattern without the heat. So yeah, I wanted to share some different options that we may have for girls or anybody with heat damage like I have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like it if you like it, of course, and subscribe to my channel for more hair and beauty content. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. In the moment, I free fall straight into you. I don't know if I can find what you do in my mind. All red more collide with you. So obvious to know what you're doing with me. How you do me wrong, you call my name, my name. Too late for you, babe. I don't think I can let you leave. I'm not open up anymore. I can tell you don't think no. I would rather be alone. I had to run, I had enough. I was the one who had to run. I had enough, no. Sorry, yes, you know what you're doing with me. How you do me wrong, you call my name, my name. Too late for you, babe. I don't think I can let you leave. I'm not open up anymore. I can tell me don't be no. I would rather be